Welcome to our 3D metal finishing webinar. We're going to dive into some of the details and explore how you can get your 3D printed parts to the exact finish that you're looking for. It's great to have an expert in the field here, Justin Michaud, CEO of REM Surface Engineering. REM is a provider of equipment and services that enable you to get your parts finished exactly the way you want them. So moving on to these guys. So these are Orthotics finger splints. So basically if you need to keep a knuckle from moving, these are designed for that. Medical application, these are printed out of the 316L stainless, so a little bit of corrosion resistance there to begin with. But something like this, what's the benefit of going to REM for those?
Yeah, so maybe the first thing I might jump to would be cleanliness, right? So we're going to have a little bit of a smoother surface here, so you're not going to have debris catching in this, right? Maybe that's, maybe you're working in the kitchen, things like that. You want to keep this nice and clean. That's just a nice little feature. You're also going to, of course, have some aesthetic benefits, So if you're looking for sort of like a more matte printed finish, that's interesting, that's fun. But if you want to make it more like a traditional ring or what have you, now we polish it to a nice level here, it's got this nice bright shine. Maybe you want to go even one step farther here, and you want to get it plated. REM surface is really an optimal pre-plating or pre-coating surface. By getting that nice smooth surface, you get a nice thick, robust plate, and it's going to last and be more resistant to wear and what have you.